Alright, this is a quick little video demonstrating how to find the one-way analysis of variance with the TI-83 or 84 calculator. So what we'll do is we're going to start off and we need to enter our data into L1, L2, and L3. So recall back from previous videos, to enter our data we'll go into Stat. We'll choose number 1, which is Edit. And we'll need to put our data into L1, L2, and L3. So one thing to consider at this moment would be is if your lists are not clear, recall that you could arrow up and press clear and then enter, and that will clear that list. So I'm going to hit pause and go ahead and put these data values in. Let me put a few in to demonstrate. So 36, enter. 44, enter. 34, enter. 35, enter. Then you arrow over and you'll start entering the next list. So 43, enter, 35, enter, etc. I'll be right back. Alright, so now our next step here will be number 2, which is to press the Stat key again. Then we're going to move over to Test. Alright, we're going to look for a letter H. So you can either arrow down to the bottom of the list, or you can arrow up and go to the bottom of the list that way, because it's letter H. And you can choose just press enter or press the letter H, and it pulls that up on the screen. Well, what we need to type in is we need to tell it where our information is. So our information is in L1. L1 is in blue, so we say second L1, comma, second L2, comma, second L3. We close the parentheses, we press enter, and the calculator spits out all of these data values. So remember, in the intro video and then the example video, we're really just talking about the procedure and what it means and why we're calculating it, more so than actually going through and calculating this by hand. My whole approach to this course has been, if we can use our technology to do the calculations and then apply the calculations to understand. And so what I want you to understand is that we're taking this F value. So what we're walking away from right now is that our F value is equal to 4.83. And at that point, what does that F value do for us is the question. So you bring that back to step 4 of the process to compare your F test value with your critical value to establish whether or not you're going to reject or not reject the null hypothesis. So we're letting the calculator do all the dirty work for us, and all we have to do is just pull it from the actual screen. Alright, so that's how to find how to do one-way ANOVA or analysis of variance using your TI-84 so that you can find your F test value.